formatting your SD card or USB, but it keeps failing. In this video, I'll show you simple methods to successfully format your SD card or USB in minutes. First, search CMD in the Windows search bar. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes to allow permission. Now type disk part and press Enter. Next, type list disk and press Enter to see all connected disks. After that, search partition in the Windows search bar and open Disk Management. Here, carefully check and note the disk number of your USB drive. Go back to Command Prompt. Type Select Disk, Disk Number, and press Enter to select the USB drive. Now type attributes Disk Clear Read Only and press Enter to remove Read Only protection. Next, type Clean and press Enter. This will remove all data from the USB. Then type Create Partition Primary and press Enter to create a new partition. Now type Format FS equals NTFS Quick and press Enter to quickly format the drive. When the format is complete, type Exit and press Enter. Again, type Exit and press Enter to close Command Prompt. Now check your USB drive. It should be working properly. That's all. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more simple tech fixes.